I don't want you to think I'm talking down to you, but I am going to take the camera down and show you a little bit about where your breath comes from on this breath instrument called a chromatic harmonica. Now here's the thing, okay? You drive the instrument by breath, both on a blow and on the draw. But the power does not come from this portion of the body. The power comes, just like a singer, from the diaphragm, on a blow and on a draw. So basically, a draw, the diaphragm goes out, okay? Drawing in air. And when you blow, the diaphragm goes in. Like bellows. And that, dear friend, is how you drive the harmonica. And you might say, well, I'm not too sure I'm very good at that. Okay, what you do then are some exercises to increase your control of your diaphragm, which put your lips in a, and we go in, drawing air in, pushing air out. That's out. In, out. You can put a harmonica up to your mouth and you can hear, is the tone the same? Okay, why don't we do that? I'll go get a harmonica. Shamrock steel from Seidel. We'll try something different. Blow. Draw. Same volume, okay? Now, if you want to get more advanced control of your diaphragm, you do a bell curve. What's a bell curve? Starts with very light volume, goes up to a maximum, and then back down. But the two sides, up and down, should match in their shape, like this. Okay. On a blow. It looks easy. It's not. On a draw. You teach your body to have control of your breath. The chromatic harmonica is a breath instrument. And you will need control of the breath to play it properly.